Einheitsbkw, Leichter Mittler, schwerer, a standard military utility chassis family developed by Wehrmacht in light, medium, and heavy classes featuring independent four-wheel suspension and four-wheel steering capability to ensure part standardization and repair ease within the Army. Kübelwagen Type 82. Designed by Ferdinand Porsche, based on the Volkswagen Beetle, this lightweight, rear-wheel drive vehicle became the most reliable general-purpose personnel transport for German infantry and officers on front lines due to its durability. Schwimmwagen Type 166. Developed on the Kübelwagen chassis, this highly capable amphibious reconnaissance vehicle could cross rivers, lakes, and marshes by swimming thanks to its rear-mounted propeller and four-wheel drive system. Mercedes-Benz 170V. Evolved from pre-war civilian sedan models, this rear-wheel drive light transport vehicle met the standard staff transportation needs of officers and headquarters personnel with its rugged build and economical four-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz 320. Equipped with a high-performance six-cylinder engine, this upper-medium class prestigious vehicle was preferred by high-ranking officers for long-distance headquarters travel and command staff transport. Mercedes-Benz W31 G4, a massive limited production heavy off-road staff car with a 3-axle 6x4 configuration and luxurious bodywork, used by top-tier Nazi officials and commanders for propaganda tours. BMW 325. Produced under the standardization project co-developed with Horch and Stower firms, this medium-class standard military utility vehicle featured four-wheel drive and independent suspension. Horch 901. Falling into the medium Einheitsbkw class, this four-wheel drive personnel carrier was heavily utilized for headquarters services behind the front lines thanks to its heavy load capacity and rugged off-road durability. Adler Standard 6. A comfortable civilian-derived sedan chassis incorporated into the Army inventory in the early years of the war, adapted with military paint and equipment for rear-area officer transport. Opel Admiral. A high-end civilian-derived luxury car featuring a powerful engine and spacious interior, used to meet the staff car requirements of the German High Command and generals. Opel Kapitten, a popular sedan model known for its robustness, aerodynamic body lines, and reliable engine, frequently preferred by officers and senior NCOs for personnel transport during the war. Stower M12, a four-wheel drive utility vehicle produced by Stower in accordance with military standards, used in light duties and reconnaissance patrols for officer transport. Wanderer W11. Produced by Wanderer, a member of the Auto Union Group, this medium-class automobile served behind the front lines in transporting officers and communication personnel thanks to its robust chassis. Volkswagen Beetle, KDF wagon, a rear-engine people's car derived from the Economic Civilian Vehicle Project, serving as the foundational platform for the light transport needs of lower-ranking personnel during the war. Opel Blitz 1.5 ton, a light-class transport truck utilized in the German logistics network for quick and agile delivery of supply materials to the front lines. Opel Blitz 3 ton, 3T, the backbone of Wehrmacht logistics, becoming the war's most crucial cargo truck due to its exceptional reliability, large cargo capacity, and delivery of supplies to millions of troops. Opel Blitz Maltier, half-track, a half-track version created by replacing the rear wheels of standard 3-ton Opel Blitz trucks with track systems to prevent them from getting bogged down on muddy autumn and winter roads, particularly in the Soviet Union. Mercedes-Benz L1500A/L1500s, a 1.5-ton capacity light/medium truck. Version A operated in rough terrain with four-wheel drive, while Version S handled supply and personnel transport on standard roads via rear-wheel drive. Mercedes-Benz L3000, the biggest rival and equivalent to the Opel Blitz 3T, serving as one of the German Army's indispensable heavy-duty cargo trucks for hauling heavy loads, ammunition, and troop deployment due to its rugged build. Mercedes-Benz L4500, a heavy-duty truck designed with a long chassis and powerful engine to transport heavy ammunition, artillery shells, and bulky supply materials from the rear all the way to the front lines. Bussing NAG 900, an extra-large class transport truck utilized for hauling extremely heavy loads, bridge construction materials, and the oversized equipment required by specialized engineering units. Krupp L3H163, Protza, an iconic military truck featuring a dual rear axle configuration, 6x4 drive system, specifically designed to tow light howitzers and carry artillery crews along with their ammunition. Henschel 33, a heavy-duty truck featuring a 3-axle, 6x4 layout and exceptionally durable body, used primarily for towing heavy artillery systems and transporting supplies in the harshest frontline conditions. Magirus M206, a practical logistics support truck featuring an air-cooled engine that required no water cooling systems, allowing it to operate without the risk of freezing water during harsh Russian winters. WWII 7, a large truck whose massive structure and wide chassis enabled it to serve not only in heavy freight transport but also as a mobile repair, maintenance, and workshop vehicle behind the front lines. Einheits Diesel Leichter Einheitsel KW, a light standard truck produced under the German Army standardization policy, featuring an air-cooled diesel engine and independent four-wheel suspension for operating in difficult terrain. Ford the 5th 3000S, produced at Ford's Cologne factory in Germany and serving as the primary twin and alternative to the Opel Blitz 3T, hauling the German Army's core logistical load with its V8 gasoline engine. Ford G917T, a standard German logistics truck built in the early war period at the Cologne factory, utilizing Ford's classic V8 engine to transport ammunition and rations along standard supply routes. Renault HN, a French-origin truck requisitioned Beute into the German Army inventory following the occupation of France, serving the military with a 3.5-ton load capacity to ease logistical burdens. Renault AHS, a French light truck requisitioned by the Germans after the occupation of France, utilized within the Army inventory for light supply, cargo, and mail distribution duties. Citroën 23U, a version of the French Citroën light transport truck adapted to German military standards and intensively used on local supply lines in occupied territories. Peugeot DK5, a practical light utility truck requisitioned by German forces following the occupation of France, utilized in headquarters communications, light cargo transport, and officer transfers. Unic P107, captured half-track, a French-built half-track successfully utilized in the Army inventory by the Germans after capture, serving both as an artillery tractor and an unarmored personnel carrier. Somua MCG, a tracked/half-track towing vehicle captured from the French Army and modified by the Germans to pull heavy artillery batteries and transport ammunition. Saurer 6M, a Swiss or Austrian origin premium heavy-duty truck utilized for heavy duties in the German logistics and supply chain due to its high build quality and durable structure. Praga RN, a medium-class transport truck integrated into the German inventory upon the annexation of Czechoslovakia, highly favored by the Army for its robust mechanical components and reliability. Tatra 82, a tactical utility/truck chassis born from Czech engineering, delivering superior performance on muddy and rough terrain thanks to its air-cooled engine and chassis design. Tatra 111, a legendary heavy off-road truck equipped with an air-cooled V12 diesel engine capable of operating through Russia's harshest winters and thickest mud. Steyr 1500A, produced by the Austrian firm Steyr, this four-wheel drive vehicle was one of the Wehrmacht's most popular and capable light/middle-class personnel and command trucks. Horch 108, built by Horch to heavy Einheits passenger and personnel carrier standards, serving senior officers as a tough terrain vehicle via its four-wheel drive system and spacious layout. BMW R75, with sidecar, the pinnacle of military motorcycles, featuring a drive system that powered the sidecar wheel in addition to the rear wheel, offering incredible off-road capability in mud, snow, and sand. Zundap KS 750, with sidecar the primary rival and equivalent to the BMW R75, serving as a heavy-duty reconnaissance vehicle featuring sidecar wheel drive and producing exceptional torque. DKW NZ 350, a two-stroke motorcycle widely used for rapid courier operations, reconnaissance, and light communication duties between the front lines and rear units. BMW R12, a classic German motorcycle utilized in early war frontline courier and reconnaissance roles, featuring advanced technology for its era with hydraulic front telescopic forks. BMW R35, a smaller displacement single-cylinder motorcycle used in safe rear area zones, police and gendarmerie duties, and light courier work. Triumph BD250, a medium-class reliable motorcycle produced at the German Triumph factory and used by Wehrmacht courier units to keep communication networks operational. NSU 251 OSL, a reconnaissance motorcycle produced by NSU, allowing couriers to move rapidly across frontline zones due to its lightweight build, durable engine, and easy maintenance. Victoria KR35, a medium-class motorcycle originating from pre-war civilian models, equipped with military paint and gear for courier and communication tasks. Kettenkraftrad SD KFZ, to an unmatched mini half-track featuring a classic motorcycle fork at the front and a tank track at the rear, designed to pull ammunition in narrow trenches and supply mountain units. Einheitskraftwagen KFZ, 61 telephone/radio truck, a mobile communication vehicle built on the Einheits chassis, used to lay telephone lines, provide radio communications, and coordinate command headquarters among Army units. Opel Blitz bus KFZ, 305 of 3, a bus built on the reliable Opel Blitz chassis with a closed body, used for the collective transport of officers, wounded soldiers, or military personnel behind the front lines. Mercedes-Benz L4500, our multi-year version of the L4500 heavy-duty truck fitted with tracks instead of rear wheels to allow it to advance without getting stuck in the harsh mud and winter conditions of the Soviet front. Van Omen Granite 25H, a utility truck featuring an air-cooled engine eliminating water leaks and freezing risks, used in light duties, rear area ambulance tasks, and personnel transport. Adler Jr., a vehicle from pre-war civilian small car classes requisitioned by the Army, utilized in light headquarters duties by lower-ranking personnel and for courier transport. Mercedes-Benz 260D, one of the world's first mass-produced diesel passenger cars, used in limited numbers by the upper echelons of the Army as a staff and transport vehicle due to fuel economy. Stoer Greif V8, a prestigious automobile equipped with a powerful V8 engine, utilized by senior commanders and generals to ensure comfort and high speed during long-distance journeys. Wander W23, a pre-war civilian-origin medium sedan requisitioned by the Army and assigned to transport officers between headquarters buildings behind the front lines. Horch 830, a prestigious staff car built with superior craftsmanship by Horch featuring a V8 engine, utilized by high-ranking officers and generals for official duty travels. Fawn L900, a powerful trailer tractor used to transport broken down or damaged heavy tanks, armored vehicles, and massive equipment of the German Army back to repair shops or factories.